Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and normally I would not be showing you under my sink, but thanks to this organizer from Aokoka, I am really happy with how it's looking right now. This metal shelf right here is made of steel that is coated, and that will help prevent it from rusting, so it is safe to use under wet areas like this. So I have it right here in my kitchen sink as well as one under my bathroom sink. Those spaces tend to be very awkward, so these are perfect to take advantage of that vertical space. Now, one of my favorite features is that both shelves can slide out. I can also add spray bottles right here to the pull-out handle. And don't worry, you're not going to be damaging it because this is pretty sturdy built and it can hold up to 50 pounds. And the suction cups at the bottom also help, so you don't have to worry about it shaking around when you're pulling the drawers out. I think you'll quickly realize you can use it in so many places, so make sure you buy more than one. But that's just my point of view.